Now let's write a set of birds. Alright? Now, who gives us egg? Hen. Very good. Look, let's join and write nicely. Hen. H E N. Hen. Hen gives us eggs. Shall we write the H capital? Yes. H. E N. Hen. You like to eat an egg in the morning? Good. Now, who lives in the tree hole? Owl. You can only see at night. Owl. O W L. Owl. He's got nice big round eyes. Let's write the O capital. O. W L. Owl. Now, next, duck. Who lives in the pond and says quack quack? Duck. You like duck? Lovely little bird. D U C K. Duck. Let's write the capital. Duck. D capital. D U C K. Duck. Next, what shall we write? Which bird do you know? Swan. What is swan? Most elegant looking white little bird that glides in the water. Swan. You know the story of swan? S W A N. Swan. Let's write the S capital. S W A N. Swan. He loves to swim about in the river. Now, look, we have done hen. H-E-N. Hen. Who gives us egg? Owl. O-W-L. Owl. He lives in the forest in the tree hole. He has big eyes and he can see at night. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Duck lives in the pond and he says quack quack. Swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. He can fly. He can glide in the water. Let's take another set of birds. Now, there is a bird that looks almost like a parrot, but it's colored, and it's called macaw. Very good. Let's write M A C A W. Macaw. It's a colored, it looks like a parrot, but it's colored and big. Let's write the M capital. M A C A W. Macaw. Alright? Now, next bird. What's the next bird? Crow. Crow is a common bird you see around your house. Crow. C R O W. Crow. It keeps your house surrounding clean. Let's write the C capital. C R O W. Crow. What is the other bird you see around your house? Pigeon. Nice, soft little bird. Pigeon. P I G E O N, pigeon. It's a lovely little, mild little bird. Let's write the P capital. P I G E O N, pigeon. What is the next bird we'll write? Crane. It loves to fly high. Okay? Crane is a bird that flies. C R A N E, crane. Let's write the C capital. C R A N E, crane. He comes flying into the water, taking away fishes. Let's look at all the birds we wrote. Macaw, M-A-C-A. The macaw is a large bird who looks like the parrot, colored feathers. Crow, C-R-O-W, crow, the common bird we see around our house. Pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon, a mild little bird, lovely little bird, sometimes lives on the roof of our house. Crane, C-R-A-N-E, crane, it's a water bird. He loves to dive into the water to take away fish. Let's take our next set of birds. Now, let's write peacock, the most beautiful, colorful bird of India. Yes, peacock. P E A C O C K. This is a male bird, peacock. Okay, let's write the P capital. Its feathers are colorful and beautiful. Yes, peacock. P capital E A C O C K. Male bird, most beautiful feathers, greenish bluish color, and it dances with the rain. Next, this is male. What about female? Peahen, very good. P E A H E N. Peahen is a female peacock. Yes, female, but that's a male, female. Let's write the P capital. P E A H E N. Peahen. When the rain comes, before the rain they will dance. They'll stretch their beautiful feathers out and they dance. That is a beautiful sight. What's the next bird we'll write? Ostrich, fast running bird. Small head, long legs. Ostriches are found in Australia and it lays huge egg. Let's write ostrich. O S T R I C H. Ostrich. Let's write the O capital. O S T R I C H. Ostrich. Next, what shall we write next? Kite. What is kite? A very lovely looking bird, brownish, blackish, and it can fly very high. Kite. K I T E, kite. Sometimes you can see him near our house. Let's write K capital. K I T E, kite. Now look, written here Peacock, peacock. That's a male bird. Peahen, peahen. That's a female bird, and both love to dance before the rain. Ostrich, Ostric. Ostrich is a huge bird. The tiny head lays big egg, and it can run very fast. Supposed to be the fastest running bird. Kite, Kite, kite. It's a brownish blackish bird you see around your house. It can fly very high. Let's take another set of birds. Let's take a bird that you find it in the cold regions, which flies very high. What is that bird name? Falcon. Let's write F A L C O N. Falcon. Falcon. It's a bird that flies very high, and you find it in the cold northern regions. Let's write the F capital. F A L C O N. Falcon. Next bird that flies very high. Eagle. You like eagle? Yes. Eagle. E A G L E. Eagle. He has very sharp eyes, and he's got very sharp claws. He comes flying down to take away tiny birds, tiny chick, rats, etc. Let's write the E capital. E A G L E. Eagle. Next, vulture. Another bird that flies very high, and it loves to take away tiny birds, chicks, things like that. Vulture. V U L T U R E. Vulture. He lives in the mountain tops, builds a nest and lives there. Vulture. Let's write the V capital. V U L T U R E. Vulture. The next bird. All these birds belong to the same family. Flies high. It's got nice claws to snatch. Next bird is hawk. H A W. H A W K. Hawk. Now all these birds, they can fly very high. They got good eyesight. All right, let's write H capital. H A W K. Falcon, eagle, vulture, hawk, all of them have sharp eyes, nice strong beak, and strong claws to fly down and take their prey. Let's see. Falcon. Falcon. Eagle. Eagle. Vulture. Vulture. Hawk. Hawk. All the four birds belong to the same family. Sharp eyes, sharp claws, sharp beak, and they fly down and take away little birds, little chicks, rat, things like that. Good.